Hamilton Conservation Authority has been working toward a bold vision for East Hamilton and Stony Creek. For decades, water flowing down from the Niagara Escarpment has resulted in flooding and erosion in Lower Stony Creek, impacting homes, properties, and local ecosystems. Through environmental assessments completed between 2011 and 2018, a new solution emerged, one that works with nature, using wetlands to capture and slow water, reducing flooding and erosion while restoring the natural landscape and providing opportunities for people to connect with nature. In 2014, HCA connected with the Heritage Green Community Trust and provided significant financial contributions to help bring this vision to life. With support from the Hamilton Conservation Foundation, additional generous donors, and grants, lands were secured and the project began to take shape. Since 2015, more than 400 acres were brought together to create Saltfleet Conservation Area. In 2022, the first wetland was constructed, along with the opening of new trails to the public. The second wetland was built in 2025. In 2026 and 2027, work will continue on the designs to complete the wetland system, strengthening its ability to protect downstream communities. These wetlands act like natural sponges, reducing flooding and erosion while creating habitat for plants and wildlife. Today, Saltfleet is becoming a place where protection and connection come together. With continued support from the Heritage Green Community Trust, the next phase will complete the third wetland, a new visitor center and expanded trail systems, and help connect Saltfleet to a broader network of conservation lands. Because this work is about more than today. It's about what we leave behind, for our communities and for generations to come.